Hi guys, we're up on Durham Downs. I did promise that if the weather dried out a bit, we'd give the paper aeroplanes a try, so that's what we're going to do. Well, I've got to say it's a bit windier than I thought it was. I'm taxi driver today. I had to drop my daughter and grandson in the middle of town, and this is virtually the closest place I can park free. So that's why we're up here. Right, we'll give this one a try first. They're going to be tiny. You're not going to see them when they're flying. It's probably a little bit too windy. Right. That went left a bit. Go. Oh there. Yeah, that'll do. That one worked. Just hope the camera caught it. Right. That one looks like it's warped a bit in the storage. In fact, that looks like it's warped quite a bit in the storage. Still, did alright from a hand launch. Awful lot of dog walkers. Right, up a bit. Okay. I'm just going to try and fly all of them once, because I expect I've got to go back and pick the daughter up soon. Whoa, look at that one go. I think I need a bit of extra glue on that one, that's come loose. And that's why that went a bit funny. Okay. Hand launch. Dived. Right, try that one again. I think I've probably got to go and pick the daughter up. Nope, that wasn't my daughter. Put that one down for a minute. Try a different one. Yeah, a lot of these have got warped where they've been sitting in that box. I am rushing this a bit because I don't think I've got much time before I've got to go and collect my daughter and grandson. So far, the first one out of the box was the one that flew the best. But these have been in storage for a couple of months now, haven't they? So, not surprising they're out of sorts. That's a bit better. Whoa, where's that going? Whoa! Sorry about that. It's clear when I stopped here. It's out that going? Whoa. Into the road, I think. Well, that's the longest flight of the day. Right, I'm going to call that a day. Although it's nice and sunny, it's pretty cold out here, and I better be ready to go back and collect my daughter. They all had a little flight, and they didn't do too badly. So, looks like I need to remember to bring some super glue with me, because some of those joins have come loose, so that needs tidying up. But they did all fly, one way or another. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.